Today we're using ASMR. Jelly. We have a lot of more to do. We even have a packaging. Just yeah. ASMR. Siya naman, kainin mo. Oh, ako na tayo naman dalawa. Tara, bis mapakita ko.